refreshing. It's a summer drink. There is a little bit of cooking and then blending followed by some sieving, but these steps are really simple and I'll explain step by step. It's a very good drink which detoxifies your body, helps you in losing weight, and I'll explain them while I go through the recipe. Okay, so first we need a ripe pineapple and some ginger. We will also use a little bit of lemon. So first I'm going to start it with peeling the pineapple, which is a tiring job, but for this recipe we are not going to throw this skin away. Pineapple skin is full of vitamin C, but it also contains bromelain, which is a proteolytic enzyme which helps to break protein molecules in the body. And bromelain also has lipolytic and proteolytic effects, which helps burn overall body fat. That's why for this drink, pineapple skin is a very important ingredient, and I have washed my pineapple very nicely. Let's put all the skin, and as I said, I have washed my pineapple carefully, and you should do the same for making this drink. Now all skin are in the pot. Let's set this aside and let's prepare the next ingredient, which is ginger. Now don't worry, I'm not gonna use the whole chunk of it. That's all I need for this drink. Now some people find peeling ginger a tiring job or something difficult. If you use a spoon and scrape the skin like this, it comes off easily and it can be done within few seconds. So after peeling the skin, which we are not using for this recipe, I want to cut them into slices. Now ginger is loaded with antioxidants and compounds that prevent stress and damage to your body's DNA, and it also fights with chronic diseases, high blood pressure, heart disease, and so on. So it's a good idea to have ginger on your diet every day if possible. I'm using a pestle and mortar to crush half of the ginger that I'm using for this drink. Some people won't crush it and will put it on their drink just sliced, but when you crush it, it gives you more flavor. You get more of the benefits on your water. We are gonna put some water there on the pan. Let's do it now. Because in UK tap water is drinkable, so I'm just straight away using it. You can use boiled water. I'm just eyeballing it. I don't need a measuring cup. I think it's around 2 cups today. Now we need to bring it to a boil and then we have to simmer it. So I have put my stove on and I'm going to prepare the next ingredient, which is again pineapple. Now I'm gonna cut it because we have so far used just the skin. We need the whole fruit. So I'm slicing it first, and middle bit, this bit of pineapple is hard and it's better to use it in the boiling process. So I'm gonna make them bite-sized so that they boil quickly, and I'm gonna put it on the same water where the skins are boiling. And now it's time to use a blender, which is a magic kitchen utensil. Appliance. Anyways, I'm putting all the cut pineapple pieces into my blender, and on the side on the stove my mixture is boiled. I'm gonna lower the heat and simmer it until the whole mixture comes to half, which can take 7, 8 to 10 minutes. Now the mixture has reduced to half. We want to let it cool down slightly as we are going to put the water in blender, and hot water is not ideal. It's time to use a sieve to separate water from skin. We don't need the skin for making the drink. All we wanted to do was boil water in it and extract the nutrients from it. Now the skin and the ginger bits goes in the bin. It's not gonna go in our drink. Now I want to use this water for the blending process. We all know that when we make pineapple juice, it requires some liquid. Anyways, I was rushing. Our blending process is done and now I need to sieve it, which is a boring process to me. But for making pineapple juice, you always have to go through some sieving. I've got around a liter of drink from the whole process, but it's not done yet. Remember we talked about using lemon in the recipe? I just rolled it to get more juice out of it. I'm using one lemon, but first I need to de-seed it because no one likes seeds in their drink. I'm using one lemon for this quantity of drink, but if you like a lemony drink, sour drinks, you can go ahead and put one more. I just don't like too much sour in my drink. That's why I'm just limiting it to one. So once lemon is mixed in the drink, it's all ready. Let's stir it. Pineapple drink has a tendency to separate the water from the pulp. I'm gonna do a quick taste and it seems perfect. This drink is very healthy. It's full of health benefits because we have used pineapple, ginger and lemon, and all these three ingredients are loaded with vitamins, minerals. This is a vitamin C rich drink which will help your body fight with viruses, bacteria, which includes cold and flu. It's a refreshing drink, but it's mainly for its health benefits. It's not for the taste.